Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hanifa P. Macadaag. Now, I will video about how to wrap a petri dish with a paper. We are going to use a used paper which the other side is clean and the other side is already printed. This is our way of recycling used paper. Now, with the clean side, this is where you are going to wrap the petri dish, not the printed side, because if the paper gets wet, the prints on it will transfer to the petri dish and it will hinder you from observing your setup or colonies for the microorganisms you would like to study inside the petri dish. So make sure what comes in contact with your petri dish is the clean side of the paper.
Our paper here is A4, so what are we going to do first is fold about 1 inch in width at both sides but with opposite directions. And then, we are going to meet the ends overlapping each other. Then pull it to tighten so the petri dish is in the center. Then you have to fold this side and the other side. Also, in the other side, fold both sides of it. And then fold to the opposite side so when you see this one, this is the right setup. Even if it is overlapping, the moisture cannot enter because it is sealed.
So this time, I'm going to demonstrate cotton plug for test tube. The test tube is 20 ml and I'm going to make cotton plug for this. The reason why we are going to use cotton plug is that cotton plugs allows gas exchange but it prevents microorganisms from contaminating your culture.
The materials needed are scissors, thread, gauze, bandage, cotton, and test tube. So we are going to cut approximately 2 inches in width. And then you roll with this side only until you can create a size that could fit to your test tube. Then roll it between your fingers. Cut the extras if necessary. You can already use this as a cotton plug, but if you are culturing some in a long time, you need to wrap it in a gauze bandage so we can prolong its good shape. So I have a 4-inch gauze and we will wrap it like this. And then I will tie it with a thread approximately 1 inch of it. And then to make it looking tightly, tie also the other side with a thread. Then cut it to extras. Now we have a cotton plug that we can easily use.